Justice Ratubili, Vijay Narai, Vijay. Just you talked about this is unprecedented. What are some of the areas that you can talk about, the new set of rules that focus on, that are ready to be gazetted?
Thank you, Vijay. This is basically the whole process. So, if there is an objection to a voter on the road, person can object to the supervisor. If the supervisor deregisters that person can appeal to us. It's never been regulated in any form before. So now there's a process in place. So that person will know I have this limited time frame to object. There's a form, you can fill it. We try to make it online. So they can fill it online and the secretary will process it. You have also noticed that we recently now have our full complement of commissioners. So 6 commissioners plus a chair. Because we have part-time commissioners, we have different time commitments. So it requires only 4 to have a quorum. So once because most of those complaints have very strict time frame. As long as there's a quorum, they can sit and determine whether the supervisor was justified in deregistering the person. If not, we will set aside the decision and the person can come back on the for deregistration of the party. There are also processes in place, nomination of candidates, so it's part of the process. Sometimes before polling day, there's going to be a very tight schedule, so we might have a situation where we have 4 here, 4 here, and so we're trying to ensure that, one, we have this gazetted so that it's enforced, and that we try and make people as aware as possible. We have information on the website of how what to do, what steps to follow.
So, could you give us an example of what used to happen previously?
It would be airport. So, the requirement is that the chair, the person who is qualified to be a judge, which means the lawyer of 15 years experience. So, the framers of the act trusted that this person will ensure that they met the rules of natural justice. But it's not systematic. There's no system in place. People didn't know what was required of them. So this basically puts it on the track. There's clarity.